I'll be continuing with exercise 8.3 now. First question we have is evaluate. See, we have studied in our previous video sin 90 minus theta was cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, and inverse cot 90 minus theta is tan theta, and sec 90 minus theta is equals to cosec theta. So we will use these complementary trigonometric ratios and evaluate these answers. Sin 18. See, sin 18 can be written as 90 minus 72 upon cos 72. We know sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this comes out to be 1. We have to write each and every formula that we are using in our question. So first part. Second, tan 26. Tan 26 can be written as tan 90 minus 64 upon cot 64. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So this also comes out to be 1. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Third, cos 48 minus sin 42. Cos 48 can be written as sin 90 minus 42 minus sin 42. Cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. So I can write it as sin 42 minus sin 42. This comes out to be 0. Fourth, cosec 31 minus sec 59. Cosec 31 can be written as 90 minus 59 because I am not changing any value. I am writing in the form of complementary angles. Minus sec 59, and we know cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta. So sec 59 minus sec 59 evaluates to 0. So 0 is our answer. Second question. We have to show the product of these values is 1. Now I will solve the LHS part. Tan 48, tan 23, tan 42 and tan 67. See, tan 48 can be written as 90 minus 42 and tan 23 can be written as tan 90 minus 67. I'll leave these two. Tan 67. So tan 90 minus 42, tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Here also cot 67, tan 42 and tan 67. Cot 42 can be written as 1 upon tan 42 because cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta into 1 upon tan 67 into tan 42 into tan 67. Now this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, this is evaluating to 1 which is equals to RHS. Second, cos 38, cos 52. Cos 38 can be written as 90 minus 52 and cos 52 can be written as 90 minus 38. I'll leave these two as it is. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin 52 into sin 38 minus sin 38 and sin 52. A into B is same as B into A, commutative. So this gets 0. So which is our RHS. Hence proved. Third question. Tan 2A is equals to cot A minus 18. So tan A can be written as cot 90 minus 2A is equals to tan 2A because cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. So I can evaluate 90 minus 2A is equals to cot A minus 18. So since both are cot, I can evaluate the figure part. 90 minus 2A is equals to A minus 18 or 90 plus 18 is equals to A plus 2A. This comes out to be 108 is equals to 3A. So A becomes 36 degrees. Fourth question, if tan A is equals to cot B, prove A plus B is equals to 90. So tan A can be written as cot 90 minus A is equals to cot B. Since both are cot, I can evaluate these part. So this becomes A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. Fifth, sec 4A. Sec 4A can be written as cosec 90 minus 4A because cosec 90 minus theta is equals to sec theta. So 90 minus 4A is equals to a minus 20. So 90 plus 20 is equals to a plus 4a. This comes out to be 110 is equals to 5a. A is equals to 22 degrees. These questions are very simple. Just you have to understand what are the question asking, and we have to learn trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. What you have to learn? Sine is directly proportional to cos, tan, cot, and sec will be cosec. So you just have to understand, and then you have to practice these questions. You will be able to solve each and every question of this chapter. A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. See, we have been given a triangle A, B and C. So sine theta, we know we can write it as cos 90 minus theta. So sine B plus C upon 2 is equals to cos 90 minus B plus C upon 2. So if I take the LCM, I can write it as 180 minus B plus C upon 2. Now you see in this figure, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree by angle sum property. So angle A can be written as 180 minus angle B plus C. So if I substitute this value here, 180 minus B plus C is angle A. So I can write it as cos angle A upon 2, and this we have to prove. Hence proved. Question number 7. Express sine 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios. Sine 67 can be written as sine 90 minus 23 plus cos 90 minus 15. And we know sine 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos 90 minus theta is sine theta. Theta is just an angle. We can also write it as A or B. So this is written as cos 23 plus sine 50. This is our answer. Thank you. If you are having any doubts, please do write in the comment section. And if you are liking my videos, do subscribe it. Thank you.